Can massage help snoring from sleep apnea? Have you ever wondered if massage could be a helpful tool for snoring caused by sleep apnea? Let's take a closer look at how massage might play a role in managing this condition. Sleep apnea is a serious condition where breathing repeatedly stops and starts during sleep. This often happens because the muscles in the throat relax too much, blocking the airway and leading to snoring. While massage is not a cure, it can support better sleep and potentially reduce snoring. Massage therapy can help relax the muscles around the throat and neck. By targeting these areas, massage may reduce tension that contributes to airway blockage. When the muscles are less tense, there is a better chance for the airway to stay open during sleep. Additionally, massage can improve nerve function related to breathing. This means that the signals sent to the muscles that control breathing can work more effectively. With better muscle function, the chances of snoring may decrease. Another benefit of massage is its ability to lower stress levels. High stress can lead to poor sleep quality and increased snoring. By promoting relaxation, massage can help lower stress hormones like cortisol. This can lead to a more restful night's sleep, which is essential for anyone dealing with sleep apnea. Certain types of massage, especially those focusing on the neck, throat, and upper back, can be particularly beneficial. Techniques such as acupressure and gentle stretching can relieve stiffness in these areas. This can help improve airflow and reduce snoring. Some studies suggest that regular massage therapy may improve sleep apnea symptoms and increase restorative rapid eye movement sleep. This is the stage of sleep that is often disrupted in people with sleep apnea. While massage should not replace medical treatments like continuous positive airway pressure therapy or oral appliances, it can be a helpful addition to a broader management plan. Combining massage with other lifestyle changes, such as exercise and weight management, can further support better sleep. Incorporating regular massage sessions into your routine can be a simple way to promote relaxation and muscle relief. This can lead to improved sleep quality and potentially less snoring. So, while massage is not a standalone solution for sleep apnea, it can certainly play a supportive role in managing symptoms. By relaxing muscles, improving nerve function, and lowering stress, massage can be a beneficial part of a comprehensive approach to sleep apnea management.